Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone setting, and today friends I am going to show you guys app lock full setting guys, means how to start, use, and last guys I will show you how to turn off app lock also. So first guys, open your phone setting to use app lock. First guys, we will start app lock. How to start? Click on phone security setting and guys click on app lock, and friends draw your any pattern. When you can draw any pattern, so I will draw guys this pattern, and guys don't forget your pattern guys, and guys security question also remember guys, don't forget. So I will take guys my name here and I will done option. As you can see, your app log will start. So which app guys you want to log guys, select the app. Example like Facebook guys, this files I will log, my game I will log, and Gmail I will log it guys, Instagram also. So guys select the app. After select guys, you can see when you will use YouTube. So friends, you have your app log. And first guys turn off your screen, then guys again on. So guys you can see when we will use YouTube, so guys YouTube is locked. So guys when you will draw your pattern, your YouTube will unlock. Same setting guys with calendar, and which app guys you have logged. Facebook I have logged draw pattern to unlock Facebook. So like that guys, we can use app lock setting. We can start. Second guys, again click on phone security setting and guys click on app lock. And guys now guys we will change AppLock password. Or how to change AppLock password? Friends you can see right here this icon guys, tap here, change password guys, draw new pattern, two time AppLock password will change. And friends you want to unlock any app like YouTube, Instagram guys, you want to unlock, so you can unlock from here. Which app you want to unlock, you can unlock. And you want to log by WhatsApp, so you can log. So guys I will log WhatsApp. So friends you can see password will change, and when I will use WhatsApp, so I have app lock. So I will draw pattern to unlock WhatsApp, and friends you can see YouTube will unlock it. So like that we can start app lock, we can lock, unlock app lock, and we can change app lock password. Last guys, you want to turn off, you don't want to use app lock, you can off it. Friends click on your phone security setting, guys click on app lock setting, draw your pattern, setting icon guys click here, and right side tab turn off app lock. App lock will totally off guys, you cannot use app lock. So like that guys, we can use app lock full setting in Infinix phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. Bye guys. Before going guys, please go and like the video and subscribe the channel guys.